Do you want to be able to open a Bank of America savings account? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to go into Google, and by the way, you can do this on your mobile as well if you want to, but for this tutorial I'm going to use my computer, but it's going to be the exact same steps, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to go into Google and then search for Bank of America savings account, as you can see, because then we should be taken to this page right here. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to select this result right here. As you can see, open a Bank of America Advantage savings account online. So just click right here, and then you should be taken to this page. And by the way, before you can actually proceed to this step, it's going to probably ask you to enter your zip code, just so you know, because before it did so for me. So you need to enter your correct zip code, because then it can actually give you the correct details for your specific location, just so you know. So we can scroll down. As you can see, they do actually explain what kind of things that you can actually get with your savings account. As you can see, account details and fees, as you can see. And this is going to be required opening deposit. As you can see, this is the required opening deposit to be able to actually open a savings account. But by the way, once again, this is for my specific location or for my specific zip code. So for you, this might be another rate, just so you know. So this is not 100% the rate that is going to be for you, just so you know. And as you can see, it gives us more information that is also specific for your location, just so you know. But when you have read everything is okay, then scroll way up here again and then click on open now. Just going to load, and as you can see, you're applying for Bank of America Advantage Savings. If you have an offer code, then you can also click right here. And if you're a Bank of America online banking customer, you can also check this one, by the way. It's going to give you a more faster way to actually proceed. So I'm just going to click on go to application. Just going to load here. And perfect. As you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. So this is the page where you're going to fill out all of your details and make sure that all of those details is of course also correct. And then you're going to fill all of those out right here, as you can see. And yeah, this is the phone number, email address, and all of this right here is very, very important that you do fill out correctly, because if you don't, then it will probably not work for you, just so you know. So it's very important that you take your time and fill out all of this step by step very correctly. And then when you're done, just scroll all the way down in here and then click on continue, because what will happen then is that you will be taken to step number 2, and the step number 2 is going to be for you to set up your account. Then it's going to be for you to actually read the terms and conditions and agree or not agree. If you don't want to actually proceed, then of course you don't have to agree, but this is going to be the third step right here. Then you're going to review and submit your application to Bank of America, and hopefully after that you will be able to actually create a savings account on Bank of America. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, I'll try to answer as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.